Hello and welcome to this Amcrest support video. Today we will show you how to correctly install the antenna on your IP2M-858 Wi-Fi speed dome camera. Please note, if the antenna is not installed properly on your camera, Wi-Fi will not function. The antenna must be installed before attempting to set up Wi-Fi on the IP2M-858 in order to ensure successful operation of your device. It is also recommended to install the antenna before mounting the camera, as it may be mounted to a very high or hard-to-reach location, which would make antenna installation afterwards difficult. Also, take into account the extra height and width of the installed antenna when choosing a place to mount your camera. For more information on Wi-Fi app setup and wall mount installation for the IP2M-858, please see the link in the description below for our corresponding videos. Now let's move forward with the antenna installation. Your camera will come with the uninstalled antenna in the box. The antenna post is located on the front of the camera housing. Ensure the antenna is completely straight at the hinge for easy attachment. Place the end of the antenna against the antenna post on the camera. Align the threading on the antenna with the threads on the antenna post. Then gently turn the base of the antenna clockwise, allowing the threads on both sides to catch. Continue turning clockwise all the way until there's some resistance, confirming it's completely attached and the antenna is securely fastened to the camera. Once finished, flip the antenna upwards at the hinge to complete the installation. And that's all there is to it. We hope this video has helped you install the antenna successfully to your IP2M-858 Wi-Fi camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and check out more instructional videos from Amcrest.